I bought new art supplies. Excitement time. So this is my first unboxing thing. And I have to try a couple things, so bear with me. I bought a new X-Acto blade because I couldn't find my old one. I'm gonna open it up. Well, when I was painting 20 years ago with watercolor, again, self-taught, I always tended to be very careful with X-Acto blades because I tend to be a little bit accident prone, which is a good thing, I suppose. Well, not being accident prone, but knowing that you're accident prone. And I'm looking really forward to using them. They're more along the lines of, let's see. Success. Good. They're more along the lines of vibrant colors. We haven't been doing a lot of vibrancy. Alright, so, you ready? Okay, there we go. Again, cut away from yourself or move away out of the line of the blade. Let's put that aside. Cap it. Here we go. Salvador Premium Acrylic Paint. Set of 24 Professional Premium. The good thing about this set is that not only do you get the tubes of paint, which are vibrant, you also get like a paint palette, and I'll show you, but as well as brushes. So let's continue. Open this up. Okay, again, away from me. Because I don't know about you, but I'm not happy when I get cut. Alright, so open this up. Nice colors. Anything in the box? Nope. Okay. Put that aside. Open this up. Okay. Now, most paint manufacturers who do sets like this, ooh, nice palette knife, good. Nice sponge, also good. I'll read this later, but, okay, that's for you, okay? So put that away. And this is a palette. Now, most of the time, I don't use palettes like this. I tend to use stuff that around the house, like maybe, hold on, it's here somewhere. Well, I can't find it. But anyway, so it's like a plastic lid. It's really great. You'll see them in my other videos. So, but as I was saying, most companies who do paint sets like this, they tend to only have a little bit of the titanium white. Now, one of the colors that you really want to do, order up on, is titanium white. Well, that's not good because that's not closing. All right, well, let's see. There's a little divot there, which punches into the top. And I got this set from Amazon. I had been watching an artist on YouTube named Okay, that's not good. Well, okay. Ginger Cook. He was doing a bunch of videos. Anyway, that may be a problem. But anyway, a lot of the companies don't produce titanium white in their set enough to use, because one of the colors that you use a lot of is titanium white. So anyway, this is the one. Let's get the other one. The brushes that came with the new paint set. So these are the brushes that came with my paint set. Now this is, for example, is a liner brush, and there's sizing in all the brushes, which is fine. All it does is keeps the point. All you need to do is dab it in a little bit of water and the sizing goes away. So this is an angler. Actually, it's not an angler. It's a dagger brush. It's kind of like an angler, but it was really cool, and it gives you a pointed edge. And this is going to be an angler, smaller one, which is fine. These here are brights, which basically means they have a straight edge across, and a little bit thicker or lengthier brush strokes. Okay, this is going to be a fan brush, and this is a filbert. Filberts are great for blending soft edges. So the brushes themselves are pretty soft, which is okay because the Salvador paints are soft body anyway. It's a little bit thicker than craft paint, which would work well. So I'm looking forward to using these, especially with the new series on pop art. And as far as the tubes of paint, the only one I have a problem with is the titanium white. It doesn't screw on, but that's okay. I'll use this first. I won't use this yet. And I'll be doing a color chart, and I'll be using this one along with the individual tubes to give me more of an indication of whether or not they're cool colors or warm colors. Because even though it appears like this is probably, it looks to be blue when it is primary cyan, but you also have ultramarine blue. And ultramarine blue has a red tint or a warm tint, whereas cyan blue, primary cyan, is more true to a blue. So this ends the first of my unboxing. I kind of liked it. It was fun. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll try to answer any questions you may have. Take care. Remember to celebrate each other, celebrate your inner creative voice, and paint along the way.